it's time to start talking about what sewing baggage I managed to complete before getting into the new year. In an effort to get a little bit ahead of myself, I'm actually recording this before the year has ended, but I'd like to start talking about some of the things that I finished because I don't want to like gather them all up and record them in one video. So a little bit here, a little bit there. Number one on the sewing project is these pants that I am wearing. I have finished. I don't know how to show you. Okay, I did it. I did sew up the side seams like I mentioned I was going to do, this side patch right here, and I've already worn them several times. I finished them almost immediately after recording the first video, and I wore them when we went on a trip down to Lima, and I've worn them several times. Even though I had accidentally missed a spot and there was a teeny tiny hole in the side, I still wore them the entire trip. I came back and I fixed them yesterday, the final touches, but I've already finished my pants, and I really like them so far, and I've been giving them a lot of wear. What wasn't on the list was actually this t-shirt. I just finished upcycling it. A video will be going up for it in the future, but I have just finished upcycling it. It wasn't on the list, but I've wanted to upcycle it for quite a while now, and I finally did it, so I'm feeling very proud of myself. Other things on the list, the tulle dress, which the video for that will actually be going up tomorrow. So that one's already done, and I will pop in a picture of it here. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out because it is ready for you. I have it ready. And with the leftover tulle, actually I still have tons of leftover, so I don't know what else I'm going to make out of my tulle to use it up. But with the leftover tulle, I was able to make a window screen for my window, which I won't show you because it's a front window and it's already dirty, but it is finished. It is up, and it has gotten a lot of use because it is hot here, very hot here, and so we've been using it a whole lot. I do have one more, but I'm gonna go get it. I'll be right back. Just kidding. Two more already. I turned my pants into shorts, and I have worn them, whichever way this goes. I've already worn them several times. These are perfect, and they're very comfortable. I've been wearing them for the last couple of weeks, so these are great. And then my pants. I will also have a future video going up about my cargo pants. I have kind of mixed feelings about them. They're super cute, and I was able to make them fit perfectly, but I haven't worn them yet. It's kind of the wrong weather for very thick jeans right now, but they're great. They're very stiff, but I'll make all the comments in that video. It'll be easier. But I finished my cargo pants, but that one, like I said in the video, it just needed like 3 belt loops sewn on. So that one was 90% done when we filmed the video. I still have like 4 or 5 days if I want to finish the other 2 projects, which I said I wanted to do. So I should hold myself accountable. But that's where I'm at. I feel like I'm so far so good. And I will update you when I finish the others, if I'm supposed to. I really don't feel like doing one of them. I keep trying to motivate myself, and I'm just not feeling at all motivated to do it. I'm like, you gotta get on this, Alicia. You gotta do it. But I don't want to. So I'm like, ugh. So I'm trying to finish my father-in-law's vest, and then I'm going to take a little bit of a break and sew something for me. I'm going to put on a movie and sew something that I've been wanting to make for myself. And maybe tomorrow we'll try tackling the other thing, or the day after. We've got time, and I don't think it's a very difficult project, but I've psyched myself out, and I'm not interested in finishing it. So we shall work on that. We'll hopefully finish it by the time this video goes up. So anyways, that's all I have right now, and I will update you in like 20 seconds. Hi, welcome back to Doris Flores blog. We're talking about DIYs, daily adventures, and life abroad here in Peru. I thought I would hop on here and just show you my 2.5-year project is finally done. Yes. So this one, please, please, please do not look too closely at it. I beg of you, because it is not perfect. It is not beautiful, but I'm just happy that it is done. I finished it this week, and like I said, she's not perfect, but it's done, and that's all that matters. Hi, January Alicia here. I forgot to record the outro and final update of my last piece. So here I am. I managed to accomplish every project from my sewing baggage video, except for that last upcycled piece that I am trying to just kind of make some tweaks to for my suegra, my mother-in-law. I definitely had the time to do it, but I didn't prioritize the project, and I know that kind of sounds bad. um, yeah, I know it kind of sounds bad, but I didn't prioritize it because I have been trying to bust out a two-piece Christmas present for my sister, which she'll be receiving in less than a month now. So stay tuned for February for more about that. But the looming deadline of the project had my entire focus, and I spent like the last 4 days of December and so far all of January working on this project. So yeah, I didn't finish the last piece in my goal of what I didn't want to take with me into the new year. The good news is we're only at the beginning of the warm weather here in Peru, so I still have plenty of time to upcycle this dress for my mother-in-law before the end of summer. So we got plenty of time. That's all I had to say. I just wanted to give you an update and a little encouragement to kind of go out and accomplish some of your unfinished projects. If you are in a similar boat as me, I hope you found this fun. Filming this helps me to stay accountable and kind of clean out my stash. So I found it helpful to document the process, even though there was nothing like particularly special about the video, but just knowing that I had to provide an update really helped me to stay on top of it, because I probably would have been lazy and completely ignored some of these projects and continued to ignore them like I have been for a while now. So I'm really proud of December Alicia and all she managed to accomplish. Go her. But that's all I've got for now. So I'll see you in the next video.